Are you also having a smart home installer business? Then this video is definitely for you, because today I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your smart home installer business. So as an owner of a smart home installer business, I'm receiving multiple WhatsApp inquiries from my customers and new clients on regular basis 24/7. Handling each of the inquiry manually was a time-consuming task, so I have decided to automate it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So I'm going to create an amazing WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, that too without any coding and programming skills, that is going to handle all the WhatsApp inquiries and messages that I am receiving, and also going to automate the responses in such a way that every time I am going to receive a new WhatsApp message from any of my customer, automatically a reply is going to be sent to that same customer instantly. Not only this, but also if you want that as soon as you're going to receive the responses from your customers, such as their name and other details, automatically a systematic record should be created in your Google Sheets. That also you can do without any coding and programming skills by connecting your Pabbly Chatflow and Google Sheets with the help of Pabbly Connect. That is an amazing automation and integration software. So for your business, if you also want to learn this amazing automation step by step, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen, everyone. In this video, we are going to learn step by step how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your smart home installer business. So I am an owner of a smart home installation business, and we install different automatic appliances and instruments in different offices, commercial places and home of individuals. Now, for this business, I am receiving multiple WhatsApp inquiries on regular basis from new clients, customers and leads. I also want to collect the details of these leads and add the details in my Google Sheet so that I can give them personalized attention. But I also want to send them automated replies. Okay, so to automate this entire task, I'm going to use Pabbly Chatflow and also Pabbly Connect. So here I've built an amazing WhatsApp chatbot for my business that is going to help me that as soon as I'm going to receive a new WhatsApp message in the form of inquiry, any question or anything from my customers, my bot is going to accordingly start responding, and also it is going to engage my customers 24/7. Apart from this, whenever I'm going to receive the details of my customers through bot, such as their name, their specific requirements, their email address, their area or location, all these details will be systematically and automatically recorded in my Google Sheets. Okay, so now before moving forward towards learning how to create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for our business, I'm going to show you how it is actually going to work. So over here, this is the WhatsApp number of my business. When I'm going to send a WhatsApp message over here as a customer, let's say, hello, please share your services. A random message I've sent. So you can see I got an instant reply. Hello, welcome to Smart Sense Automation, your smart home expert. May I know your name before we go ahead? So I'm going to provide my name, let's say, new user. As I've sent my name, you can see I got again another reply along with my name this time. Great, new user. Here I am to help you explore smart home solutions tailored just for you. Please choose an option. So I have 3 buttons over here. Let's say I'm going to select Explore Services. As I have clicked on the button, you can see that this is the catalog I have received. Would you like more info or demo on any of these? So we have the catalog of the services. When I'm going to click on request a demo, here it is asking me my email. So let me provide my email, let's say. Now it is asking us the address. So let me provide address over here as I've sent this message. And now here it is asking me the preferred date. So let's say I'm going to give the date as 1st of June 2025. And now it is asking me the home type. So I'm going to give, let's say, apartment. Okay. Now it is saying, thank you, a team will reach you shortly. So in this way, the flow is actually going to work. As it has collected my details, I will take you towards Google Sheets. And here you can see that all the details that the bot has collected are added over here in my Google Sheets. The name, the email, the area and the house type. So in this way, the flow is actually going to work. The messages that you are receiving could also be checked over here in inbox section. So let's get started and learn this amazing automation step by step. To start with the process, first of all, in a new tab, we need to type pabbly.com/chatflow in our browser, which is going to take us towards the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Over here, you can see we have 2 options, sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user like me, just click on sign in to log into your account directly. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It will help you to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you're going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. Now, as an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in. This is all apps section where we can find all the products that are offered by Pabbly. To create our WhatsApp chatbot, we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow. So let's click on access now. It has now taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Over here, we can find all the credits that are allotted to us, the credits that we have consumed, credits that are remaining with us, and also the WhatsApp number that we have added. To add your WhatsApp number, you can click on this Add WhatsApp Number button. We have two methods, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect method. For both these methods, we have already created separate tutorials, so you can watch the videos in order to learn the process. Also, I'm going to attach the link of both the videos in the description. So if you want, you can also learn from there. If you are having multiple WhatsApp numbers, if you want to add multiple numbers over here in your Pabbly Chatflow account, you can create separate folders on your dashboard to save them separately and accordingly in organized format. Apart from creating WhatsApp chatbots, we have some other amazing features inside Pabbly Chatflow, such as inbox feature, contact section, team queues, template section, broadcast, AI assistant, activity log, settings, get help. Okay, for each of these amazing features, we have created detailed separate tutorials on our YouTube channel. They are uploaded. If you want to learn about any of the feature in detail, you can just go and watch the video. Okay, now without any further wait, let's start creating our WhatsApp chatbot step by step. For that, first of all, let's go towards flow section, and here we have the option of flows. So this is my flow section, and you can see that here these are all the flows I have created for separate purposes. We have active flows over here and inactive as well. You can check and manage your flows. Now to create a new flow, we have to click on this Add Flow button. Let's select it. You have to keep in mind that the bot which we want to prepare, that I've shown you in the beginning of the video, is going to be based totally on the flow that we are going to create over here. Because flow is going to decide the chronological order of the messages that the bot is going to send automatically according to the responses of the customers. So what message is going to be sent next, that is going to be decided by the flow. Okay, now first of all, I'm going to give a name to my flow. Let's say the name is WhatsApp chatbot for your smart home installer business. Okay, now you have to decide that how you want to start your flow. I have shown you in the beginning of the video that when I was receiving WhatsApp messages from my customers, then my flow was starting and bot started responding. So here I want that anytime I'm going to receive any message from any of my client or customer, my flow should start responding. For that, here we have two options. Either if you want that when you're going to receive specific keywords for your business, that are related entirely to your business, for example, installation, service, smart home, etc., then you want to start your flow and not for any of the message. Or either you can go for adding regex. Regex is regular expressions which helps you to identify the messages that you are receiving and start your flow automatically. We have multiple types of regex, and the regex which I am going to use over here is going to help me that as soon as I'm going to receive any kind of message, whether it is a specific word, it is a symbol, it is a single character, sentence, paragraph, anything, my flow is going to start. So the regex which I am going to use is this. All right, so it is going to help me to identify the messages that I'm receiving and start my flow automatically, and the bot will start responding. You can also use the same regex if you want. Okay, so as we have started the flow, first of all, I want to collect the name of my customer so that I can make my communications personalized. All right, so here for that, I'm going to go towards actions, and you can see that I have the option of ask question. I'm going to drag it down like this, and I'm going to connect it with my flow start. As I want to collect the name, so here the message which I'm going to send is, hello, welcome to Smart Sense Automation, your smart home experts. Okay, so this is the name of my business, Smart Sense Automation. Here I'm saying, may I know your name before we go ahead? And here I've made some of the details bold by adding stars at the start and at the end, as you can see. Okay, you can also do the same. I want to collect the name of my customers in the form of contact custom fields so that I can directly add the details in contact section, and further I will be able to also use the same details automatically in my communications. So I'm going to select contact custom field as full name. Okay, now how you can select contact custom field? For that, from the left side here we have the option of settings, and here we have contact custom field section. When you are going to open it, you will be able to select any of the field that you want to add over here and you want to collect from your customers as your contact custom field. Okay, the format over here is going to be text, and if you want to provide the number of reattempt chances for reattempting this name and also the validation message, you can enter the details over here. Okay, so as I'm going to receive the name of my customer, further I'm going to send them a message that is going to tell them the options that what they want to explore, what is their interest. So for that, here I'm going to send them a message along with a button. So here I'm going to select the content type as text plus button. The message that I'm going to send is great, and here I'm going to use the name of my customer. How? By adding $, and here the name of the contact custom field as it is. So I've entered a $sign over here and and then I've entered the full name, and as I've used stars, it has become bold. So now, as I've used this contact custom field along with a $sign, every time I'm going to receive the name in the reply of my customers, the name over here is going to be appear when the messages will be received. Okay. Now, the message which I'm going to send over here is, great full name. I'm here to help you explore smart home solutions tailored just for you. Please choose an option to begin. And I'm going to provide them the buttons. Okay. For example, the first button is explore services. The second button is for booking a free consultation. And the third button is, let's say, to contact the support. Okay, we have 3 buttons over here. For each of the 3 buttons, I'm going to send separate messages. First of all, if the customer is interested in exploring the services. So then first of all, I'm going to send them the details, the catalog of my services in the media format. So I'm going to select the content type as media. And I'm going to send them an image. Okay, so I've selected media type as image. And if you want to insert the image or the document URL directly over here, you can paste that. Or either directly you can upload the file from your computer as well. I have uploaded the image over here for the smart home solutions. Okay, we have smart lighting and curtains, voice controlled devices, voice controlled Alexa, and then we have energy efficient automation as well. Okay, now here I'm going to provide the caption as, would you like more info or a demo on any of these? So here I'm going to provide them buttons for requesting a demo or either back to menu. Okay. Now, if my customer is going to select the button request a demo, for that I'm going to collect their details. Before moving forward, now let's save the flow up till here. As the flow is saved, now let's move forward. I want to collect the email of the customer. So I'm going to ask a question. Okay. And I'm going to connect it with this button. And I'm going to enter the message as, great, let's schedule a free consultation with our expert. Please share the following details. First of all, the email. So I'm going to collect email of the customer and then it is going to be in email format. Okay. And now I want to collect the address. So here I'm going to add the question as ask address. Okay. And now I'm going to send them the message as, please share your address. Okay. Now I want to collect the location. I have selected that. Let's move forward. The next I want to ask is the preferred time and date. So here for that, I'm going to simply add one more question. What is your preferred date? And now I'm going to select the contact custom field as date. And the format is going to be date again. Okay. Now the next is type of their home. Okay. Whether they have villa, they have flat or an independent house. All right. So now I'm going to send them another message for asking a question. So here I'm going to select contact custom field as house type and the format is going to be text. Okay, whether the house type is apartment, villa, office, what is this? Okay, now as I'm going to receive these details, my objective is to add the details such as the name of the customer, their email address, their location, that means their area, their preferred date and the type of house they have in my Google Sheets for further record so that I can send them personalized quote. Okay, so for that here I'm going to connect my flow with my Google Sheets. How am I going to do that? With the help of API request. So here I'm going to drag it down like this. I'm going to simply connect it with my previous step like this. And now we require a webhook URL. To receive this webhook URL, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So here you just have to go towards account section over here. That means all app section of Pabbly. As I've told you, we have all the applications that are offered by Pabbly over here. We will access Pabbly Connect. I'm going to quickly create a workflow over here in front of you. And I'm going to give the name of my workflow same as the name of my bot so that we can link it. Okay. And here you can select the folders also where you want to save the workflow. Let's say I'm going to select WhatsApp marketing automation over here. Now we are having a blank workflow which we are going to use in order to automate the entire process, that as soon as we are going to receive the details of our customers, the details will be automatically be added in Google Sheets. So here we have trigger and action in the workflow. Trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. Whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. So here I want to collect the details from my flow, the details of my customers such as name, email address, their area, their preferred date, etc. And I want to capture the response inside Pabbly Connect so that I can add the details directly to my Google Sheets. How am I going to do that? For that, I'm going to select my trigger application as Pabbly Chatflow, where I'm going to receive the response. And the trigger event is new message received. Over here, I have selected the trigger event and now I'm going to use this webhook URL inside my flow over here in API request. So first of all, let's paste the webhook URL that we have received. The method over here, request method, is going to be post because I want to post the data towards Pabbly Connect. Now you have to decide the key and the parameters. First of all, I want the full name. Okay, I'm going to select the contact custom field as full name over here. Then I want the email. So here, I'm going to select the contact custom field as email. Then I want address. So the contact custom field is going to be area. And then I want the house type. So here the contact custom field will be house type. Okay, these are the fields I want in the response. Now when I'm going to click on test, you can see that the API request is successfully sent. When I'm going to go back towards Pabbly Connect, you can see that here we have received the test response. Because I have clicked on this test button, so we have received the test response with the test details. Quickly, I'm going to add these details in my Google Sheets and I'm going to show you how to build this integration. For that, let's select Google Sheets as our action application and we want to create a new row over there in our Google Sheets whenever the response will be captured from customer through Pabbly Chatflow. Let's build the connection, but before that, let me log into Google Sheets and create a new spreadsheet in front of you. So this is my spreadsheet with the name as new lead, and now I'm going to build the connection between the spreadsheet and Pabbly Connect. I've already built the connection, so currently I'm going to go with that. The spreadsheet is already selected and also the sheet name. Now we have to enter the details over here. First of all, we have received the name, so let's map the name over here. Mapping makes the data dynamic. Why I am mapping the details like this? So that it could get replaced automatically with every new response. Now I'm going to map the email, the address or the area that we have received, and the house type. These are the test details. I'm going to simply mapping these details so that we can integrate our Pabbly Chatflow account with Google Sheets. Okay, now when we are going to click on save and send test request button, we have received the response. As we have mapped these details, they will get replaced automatically whenever we are going to receive the new response. So once we have connected Pabbly Chatflow with Google Sheets, now we do not have to do anything. Whenever we are going to receive the response from our customer, such as their name, email, address, and the house type with the help of Flow, automatically the details will be recorded over here in Google Sheets. Okay, so here we can see that the record is created. All right, now further you can move back towards your flow. You can save this API request step like this over here, cross it, and now you have to move back. You can connect the status fallback, that what message you want to send next. When I'm going to receive the details of my customer, so I'm going to send them the message as, thank you, our team will reach out shortly. Okay, so here we have completed the flow till now. Let's save it quickly. Now we have the next step, that is if my customers are going to click on the button free consultation. So again, if they are going to click on the button, I'm going to send them the message that is this. Okay, and the flow is going to continue further. If they are going to click on request a call, so then I'm going to send them a message in which I'm going to provide them the details regarding how they can contact me. Thank you, our expert will call you within next 24 hours. So the flow is ready. Now I'm going to save the flow and I'm going to take you towards WhatsApp to check whether the flow that we have created is working properly or not. So quickly I'm going to take you towards WhatsApp. So here I have opened WhatsApp and you can see that this is the WhatsApp number of Smart Sense Automation, that is my business, and I'm going to send a random message as a customer over here on this number. Hi, please help. As I have sent this message, you can see that I got an instant reply. Hello, welcome to Smart Sense Automation, your smart home experts. May I know your name? This means our flow is actually working fine, and now you can also very easily create this amazing flow, amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your business, which is not going to handle the inquiries that you are receiving. Also, you can collect your lead responses to your Google Sheets. Also, you can add the details in your CRM to your email marketing, and also you can share the response anywhere as you want with the help of Pabbly Connect. So I hope this automation is clear to you. Also, it is helpful for your business. Thank you for watching. Not only this chatbot, but you can create multiple such amazing WhatsApp chatbots for your business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you want to connect us, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com. For any of your query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and for any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Do you know you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free? So try it now today. Thank you for watching.